All right, boys, back with another video. What's good? We're gonna be showing you what it's like to live with the Tesla Model Y Performance. Just daily driving it, doing my day. Right now, about to go to the gym, and yeah, let's get right into it. Right. All right, guys, in the Tesla Model Y Performance, about to head to the gym. I just want to talk about why this car is such a good daily driver. I mean, you don't have to buy gas. You just charge. You can charge at home, you know, come home from work, plug in the next day, you're ready to go. Man, it's like 12 bucks I think to fully supercharge or something crazy now, but you just plug it in home in the garage and you're ready to go the next day. Man, these cars, if you're a guy who has, you know, muscle cars or fast cars that are gas powered and you just want something, it's an easy daily, you don't want to have to go ahead and spend more gas money, just get a Tesla. And, like, you know, your daily can do, you know, stuff like this. Oh. It's just insane how much power these cars have and how instant that power is. You're just flying. I mean, you can beat anybody in a race in your daily too. Look, daily. My gosh. Can't go too fast in these neighborhoods, but we can get up to speed quick. But I mean, these cars are just, it's a different kind of speed than the downshift, high RPM. There's no power band in these cars. You're always in the power band. Foot down. It's the power band. Hope everybody's been good. The last video I posted was the Audi TTS POV. The one before that was the Lexus LC500, and man, those did terrible. Do y'all want to see POV drives? Do you want to see more like a, you know, living with the car, day in the life, going to do regular stuff with the car? I just not sure totally what y'all want. Maybe it's me, maybe I'm just boring, but regardless, I'm enjoying it. I'm having fun driving the cars, and you know, I appreciate the people who are watching. I don't think we have a subscriber yet, but hopefully that can change once I can more, you know, upload more videos and give y'all some more content to watch and stuff. But it's another one thing that's really crazy about Teslas is I remember in I think the first Model S came out in 2012, and they weren't really super talked about, and then we got the Model 3 in 2017, 2018, something like that. But when Teslas were first coming out, they were like cool rich person cars. Like, they were almost like exotics. Like, you see someone driving a Tesla, you're like, oh man, they got a Tesla. Like 2021, this car was 70 grand US. And now you can pick up a Model Y Performance for like 34 grand, which is crazy. Because the people that drive these, first of all, production caught up. Second of all, we're not in that crazy crisis of cars and being short with chips and all that like we were in COVID. But like, the people who drive these cars now aren't the younger car scene people. They've kind of just shied away from them. It's more like families, moms, you know, even older people are driving these cars. It's not the I mean, I guess it makes sense with it being EV and easy to drive, but it's definitely not the direction that I had forecasted for Tesla when these cars first started popping up. I figured, you know, these would stay like exclusive, you know, almost exotic cars. not the case. See, that's what I want right there. That white ZL1. That thing is sweet. I think they have that listed there for like 60. Alright, man, well, I'm about to go to the gym real quick. And then afterwards, we're gonna get a couple groceries. And I'll just kind of take y'all, like, you know, like, nice C8. Daily living with the Model Y Performance. We'll park next to the Supra. And yeah, I'll see y'all when I'm out of the gym, alright? Shout out Fusion. Peace. Alright. Back in arm workout complete. We're back in the car. We are going to the grocery store now. Aldi, the home favorite, man. Got shop cheap in this type of government that we're having going on right now. Aldi's goated though, everybody knows that. Well, yeah, I mean, you know, as you can see, like, I didn't really film pulling out of the gym too much, but getting in the car after going anywhere and getting in the Tesla is so easy to get out of anywhere, because you're just foot on the brake, press this down once and you're going. There's no starting up the car, there's no waiting for the car to warm up, there's no, you know, it's just foot on the brake, go. It's so easy to get anywhere in this car. But I mean, if you don't like Teslas, I'm not gonna say you're wrong for your opinion, but comment below. I just want to know why you don't like Teslas, because I wouldn't say I'm a Tesla fanboy, but I think they have a good purpose, and I think they're the best daily drivers. I really do. I mean, as much as I want a daily 700 horsepower supercharged Mustang, which I don't, I'd rather daily this. So comment your opinion below. Like, look at this backup camera to help me park. They just make it so easy with this giant screen to do anything. These cameras are so high quality, I don't know if you can even tell. Alright, we're moving into Aldi now. See y'all when we get out, but shouldn't get too much stuff. I need a lot of chili. And yeah, man, my girlfriend's in Connecticut for the weekend, so I need to get stuff that's already cooked, because I ain't cooking. Alright, bag secured. I told you. Chili, tortillas, and cheese. That's what I live off of. It's canned chili. People don't really know that it's actually good for you. See, like, look, this is what I mean by it's so easy to get out of here. Foot on the brake, shut the door, and we're moving. Just like that. It's so easy to move out of this thing. If you just like gradually roll onto this thing, it's just so fast. It just keeps pulling your head back in the seat. 5.0. I don't like convertibles though. What's that? The Mustang was flying. I mean, that motorcycle was flying, not that Mustang. The motorcycle was going insane. It was gonna freaking crash if it's not careful. But All right, guys, I'll start filming once we're closer to home. Our camera's about dead, but as you can see, living with the Tesla, very, very easy. I mean, I could have put the groceries in the trunk, I guess, but I don't have nobody in the car with me. Also, pro tip, after you exercise, it's okay to drink regular Coke because you're dumping sugar back in your muscles and you're repleting your glycogen stores. So yeah, it's okay to have a Coke after working out. All right, back at the house, back in the garage. Gonna get our groceries out. Porsche looking nice. One more look at the Tesla. This wing on the top is sweet. The old Honda. Yeah, man. Hello.
How come this work video is not on your YouTube?
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the Living with the Tesla Model Y Performance video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like that video. If you want more like living with cars rather than just like POV drives, let me know, because those are actually easier to make because I can just go about my day